Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're back with the WPL D12 4x4, and this time we're testing out the new rear cage and canopy, which is available from the WPL official store. If you want to get your hands on any of the products featured in this video, I'll leave a link down below in the description. And for those of you who've not seen this truck before, it's a WPL D12 body on a B24 kit metal chassis. And if you enjoy the video, please consider giving us a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.